Yeah?
Papa, good morning.
No, good morning. Where the akara? Where who chopped the akara? Where I put for this? Give me back my akara. Give me back my akara. Now.
Papa, what thing concern me, concern you, akara?
What thing concern? Give me my akara. Why you chop? You say what thing concern my akara? Or you give me my money immediately?
I beg. This na morning be this. No give me bad luck. I won't go hustle. I watch na me who go to. I no chop your akara. I dey fast today. I don't eat.
You must give me my akara before you step anywhere. Come out from here. What did who they talk? Me?
You won't give me back. I go beat my papa.
You go do?
He go rain say I beat my papa.
You do what?
What do you want?
What is it?
I go beat you.
You never fit.
I go beat you.
Give me back my akara, babe.
Mama, come carry your oga. Get the dog again. Okay. Carry your husband. Because he teeth go put here now. I'm losing it. In teeth go put here. Who tell me say I chop your akara? Me wait fast. Make I leave waiting. Come out here. Get away, you idiot. Make I leave waiting.
Okay, what's happen? What's happen?
Akara when I give for this one go carry and chop.
See, be careful. You sure say that this man bomb me?
It's okay.
You come out my hand.
Let me chop him.
You say?
Let me chop him.
You see, if the say I don't get you now before you go talk this thing, you don't reach hospital. See, okay, no problem. You go try him the day why them.
No best.
You see say that she chop your akara. They say I'm happy. They say I'm happy. No man.
You chop my akara.
You sure say that this man bomb me sef?
It's okay.
You sure say that this man bomb me?
It's okay. Now go well, oh.
No problem.
God be with you today.
You go try him the day why them.
Let me chop him.
Now you chop my akara.
Yes, let me chop him.
Now you chop my akara.
Let me chop him. Drink water.
You chop this akara.
Yes.